All right, on tonight's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our generative AI course. Let's have a look at what we went over tonight. And yesterday we started the process of going over chains and how that works. And tonight we're going to pick up where we left off. So now we will look at another example. First, we will add our prompt template. That's this here. Now we can find out the prompt template by just running the prompt template. We'll run it like this. From here, we will make a chain, and this is how we will do this. Chain equals LLM chain. Then these are the parameters here. LLM equals client. Then we have the prompt equals prompt template. Here we will combine two things. First is the client, and the second is the prompt template. Then we will run our chain like this. We will also pass the parameter to our run method. So we have chain.run Chinese. As you can see, is Chinese because we're looking for a good name for cuisine for whatever specific type of cultural food that we're looking for. This will happen to be Chinese this time around. This will give us an answer. As usual, we can further clean this data, adding a dot strip to the end of our run method, which will end up looking like this. This is a chain.run Chinese.strip. Let's have a look at that over here in our notebook. Let me get that open for you. And that would be under example 2. So you can see here, this is our prompt template. Input variables, cuisine, template. I want to open a restaurant for cuisine, food. Suggest a fancy name for this. As you can see, that's why we have Chinese because that would fill in this template here. So it would be really read, I want to open a restaurant for Chinese food. Suggest a fancy name for this. So that's our prompt template. This is how we run it, the chain down here. And of course, we can't run it because we're still hooked up to the Open AI API. But yeah, this is how we would run it. And it would bring back our names that we requested. And also we went over another example. Here we will look at if we want to combine multiple chains and set a sequence. So you can see here we have one prompt. So input variables equals a startup name. Template, I want to start a startup for a startup name. So just a good name for this. Then we have our name chain here, LLM chain. And then we have another prompt asking suggest some strategies for a good name for this company. So we actually started the process. I didn't actually finish it because I just wanted to get everything set up so we can run it tonight because we did have to import some things. So from langchain.change, we had to import simple sequential chain. And that's one of the things we're going to have to, well, that's the main thing we're going to have to use to actually get that running for us and link these chains together. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way on how we actually get that done. Like I said, I just started the process of doing a multi-chain. We've just been doing single chains from the beginning, but now we're doing multi-chains. So I don't want to jump from one thing to another in one video. So we will pick this up tomorrow, going over multi-chains. And of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. But for now, this is Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.